the antidote to the digital age. In an era dominated by silent electric motors and soul-crushing touchscreens, one British carmaker is shouting back. Welcome to Vision Effect TV. Today, we are witnessing a masterpiece of retrofuturism. This is the all-new 2026 Morgan Supersport. It's the official successor to the Plus 6, and it's a car that proves you don't need to forget the past to conquer the future. It's hand-built, it's loud, and it's unapologetically analog. Coachbuilt Perfection, look at that silhouette. At first glance, it feels like it belongs in the 1930s. But look closer. For 2026, Morgan has refined every single panel. The body is hand-formed aluminum, draped over a traditional ashwood frame, a signature of Morgan for over a century. However, there's a modern twist. The Supersport features a brand-new carbon composite hardtop that weighs less than 20 kilograms, transforming the car from a sleek coupe to a wild roadster in seconds. And for the first time in a decade, there is a functional trunk. Practicality meets beauty in a way only Vision Effect TV can truly appreciate. The BMW beast within. Now, let's lift that louved hood and find the heart of this beast. Powering the Supersport is the legendary BMW B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six. This engine is a masterpiece, delivering 335 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. 1,170 kilograms. That is the total weight of this car. Because it's so light, the performance is explosive. We're talking 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 267. With a new adaptive sports exhaust, the sound is raw and mechanical, a symphony of straight-six power that echoes through your soul. A tactile sanctuary, stepping inside is like entering a luxury lounge. You won't find a massive iPad here. Instead, you are surrounded by premium Scottish leathers, machined aluminum, and real wood veneers. But don't be fooled. The tech is there, it's just hidden. Morgan partnered with Sennheiser to create a revolutionary audio system that uses the chassis itself as a speaker. It creates an immersive soundstage without ruining the classic interior. It's the perfect blend of 1930s charm and 2026 technology. The price of passion, starting at over £100,000, the 2026 Morgan Supersport isn't just a vehicle, it's an heirloom. It's for the driver who wants to feel every vibration, hear every rev, and turn every head on the street. Is this the most beautiful car of the year? Or is it too old school for the modern world? We want to hear your thoughts in the comments. For more exclusive automotive deep dives, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Vision Effect TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.